Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take L-Citrulline powder. First, ensure you have a high-quality L-Citrulline supplement. This powerful amino acid is known for its benefits in supporting blood flow and exercise performance. It's a popular choice for those looking to enhance their workouts and overall well-being. We'll cover the simple steps to effectively integrate it into your regimen, making it easy to get started right away. Determining the right dosage is crucial for optimal results. For exercise performance, a typical range is 3 to 6 grams daily. If you're focusing on cardiovascular health, 1 to 3 grams per day is a good starting point. It's generally best to take your L-Citrulline powder approximately 30 to 60 minutes before your workout to maximize its effects. Always consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Mixing L-Citrulline powder is incredibly simple. Just add your measured dose to 8 to 12 ounces of water, juice, or your favorite beverage. Stir it well with a spoon or use a shaker bottle to ensure the powder fully dissolves. It's important to consume the mixture immediately after preparation to ensure you get the full benefits. This easy method makes it convenient to take your supplement anywhere. Remember, consistency is vital when taking L-Citrulline powder to achieve the best long-term results. Store your powder in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight to maintain its potency and shelf life. Always listen to your body and adjust your intake as needed or consult with a healthcare provider. And hey, if you're looking for a great way to relax after your workout, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. Happy supplementing!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.